Yeah. My feedback is great. Maria is doing a great job explaining in depth the various services by AWS, the cloud services, EC2, CloudTrail, Watch, all of the other services, Lambda. And so, yeah, for me, and particularly, I would just say this for what we do, being that I'm in the blockchain company, we're in the blockchain space. Um, what we are utilizing AWS is actually the EC2 Quick Start. Particularly, it's for Chainlink or decentralized Oracle network. Basically, it's just a middleware to help businesses who are interested in adopting blockchain. So their workflow process, we use the term off-chain to on-chain. And so utilizing the middleware, which is Chainlink Oracle Networking, we're using AWS. It's the decentralized network is built on the AWS EC2 architect. So we utilize it. We are a cybersecurity company, and so we kind of utilizing it for that data monitoring, etc. We are officially working with our first client, and so just learning this, acquiring the skills, and getting the insights from Marie is very, very helpful for me. Actually, I've been practicing the link you shared, Marie, with the practice exams. Actually, last night I was actually practicing. I got an 83%, so I'm kind of proud of that. But I want to get for the first exam though. It's for the first practice exam actually. But I want to make sure I'm confident to get over 90. So so just thank you, Marie. I just want to say thank you. That's my feedback, and you're doing a great job. I appreciate it. We connected on LinkedIn, so we'll be continually collaborating with you moving forward. So, yeah, that's my feedback. Thanks, Jason.